The first is I want to say different phrases of mind your own business. So, one advanced way would be mind your own beeswax. Second is keep your nose out of it. Third would be keep yourself to yourself. Other would be never mind. And the last would be stick to your knitting. The second situation is something related to destruction. The people of the country had been destroyed or killed by the pandemic. The same sentence in advanced, the inhabitants of the country had been decimated by the pandemic. Other synonyms for decimated are annihilated, devastated, destroyed, wreck. The pandemic has caused a wreck, damage, eradicated, obliterated, exterminated. The third is where a person is so eminent, admired by all. He is so eminent, impressive, admired by all. The same in advanced is just using one word. He is such an august person. In place of august, you may replace it with renowned, celebrated, illustrious. He is of high standing, esteemed, exalted, venerable.